I took the chance that we were going to have an Indian summer, and I put another round of vegetables in. I put some more green beans in. I fenced off the squashes from the birds, and so they have been coming back. I planted some cool weather crops because I know that I needed to get that going. And as you see, my baby turnips and kohlrabis and all kinds of good things in here, radishes and kales and cabbages. Those are all cool weather crops. I was expecting a little bit longer season, hoping for a little bit longer season, which is why I went ahead and put green beans in. And I don't know if I'm going to get them. You know, you never know with the weather reporters and even the people who forecast long term. You just don't know. So I might not get anything from these green beans if it gets too cold. However, I will get plenty from my cool weather crops, because lettuce and chard and broccoli, they do best when it's cool. Now my eggplants that I saved from the move, they like it hot. And you can see I've got some more flowers on them, which is a problem because if it gets cool next week, these eggplants are not going to like that. So I'm going to have to try to figure out a way to keep them warm as well. It's a lot of work, but hey, I love it and I'm going to do it. You noticed I put some peas in as well. They are a cool weather crop. I had a round of peas at the beginning of the season before the landlady decided she was going to sell the house and disrupt my garden and force me to move in the dead of summer. But I got peas before we had to move, and now I'm going to get another batch of peas because peas love cold weather, and you can see they are ready for me to stake up. I am going to do that with my bamboo poles as you guys have witnessed all these years. And you know, I used to do it with string, but it was always a hassle with the string. I like the bamboo much better, like I did the green beans. I like it much better because you can reuse those bamboo poles over and over and over, and you don't have that mess with the string. So I'm going to do the same thing like I do for my green beans here with my peas.